My name is David Ubura. I'm a director of Corals East Africa. Okay, well, there are many causes of coral reef decline. One of the main ones that we're facing right now is global warming or climate change, because the sea temperature is going up, and that's stressful to corals. But others include pollution from cities and towns and sewage, and then also destructive fishing and overfishing. Well, the main actions we should be taking to reverse the decline of coral reefs is to prevent pollution going into seawater, but then also management of fisheries so that they're sustainable and don't damage the fish stocks in the water. But then the other big one is reversing climate change or slowing it down, and that means carbon dioxide emissions. But that's a global problem, not just a local problem. So, and then also locally, there's a lot of efforts around local management, to try and stop the threats at the local scale. And then people are also starting to try reef restoration to see if they can reverse the decline. Coral reefs are a critical ecosystem because of their very high species diversity. And so that means there's a lot of potential for different uses or values of the species on a reef. One of the biggest uses is for fisheries, of course, people catch them, but then there's also natural products for chemical activity and for medicines and things like that. The other big value of coral reefs is that they protect the coastline. So most of our coastal towns and cities, like Mombasa here and this hotel that we're holding the workshop in, they wouldn't be here if the coral reef was not here, both because of the protection the reef provides to the beach and also because of the attraction for tourism. People come to enjoy a coral reef environment. But no, this is a new technique that we're trying, the Red List of Ecosystems. It's been applied in some cases to coral reefs, but not at a regional scale like we're doing here, and in the same numerical way. So we're hoping that by doing this assessment, it will inform the countries of what the status is of the reefs and help in their management. And then also what we'd like to do after we finish this, our region, the same data will be available for all other coral reef regions around the world. So we're going to try and promote the idea and convince other regions to also do the same.